Hello and welcome to this Profometer Corrosion PM8500 tutorial. Measuring with four-wheel electrode. On completion of this tutorial, you'll be able to do a half-cell potential measurement using the four-wheel electrode. Step 1. Select the four-wheel electrode. Step 2. Define the grid type, spacing and measuring pattern. Step 3. Adjust the color heat map. You can do it by sliding the bubbles or by tapping on the potential value. Remember, you can also change the color palette by tapping this icon. If flexible grid is selected, the grid limits will be automatically expanded once the probe reaches them. You can change to fixed grid by long pressing over the infinite icon. A double arrow icon will appear in the fixed grid mode. Step 4. To start measuring, press the circular play button. Step 5. You can now roll the probe in the forward direction. If the probe is rolled backwards, you will see a negative value indication. Please roll it to the positive area. The yellow line indicates the probe position and the traveled distance. The live potential values measured with the four-wheel are displayed in the cells and at the top of the screen. Keep moving the wheel electrode. The cells will be colored, and the minimum potential value will be displayed. Step 6. To stop collecting data, press the Stop button. The probe indicator will jump to the next line. Step 7. To start collecting data in the next line, press the Play button. Keep moving forward the four-wheel electrode. Step 8. To overwrite the measured values, you can roll the wheel electrode backwards. And then, move it again forwards. All the values will be overwritten. It is possible to pause the measurement by clicking the Pause button. Step 9. As mentioned before, the color range can be changed. To do so, click over any of the bubbles. Select the new value and click OK. The heat map will be updated according to the new limits. Step 10. To skip a fixed distance, press the yellow line in the current cell. Then press Set Skip Distance. Select the distance to be skipped, then press Confirm. The probe indicator will be relocated considering the skipped distance. Step 11. Press the Play button and keep moving the wheel electrode. Step 12. Continue measuring as many lines as you want to. Step 13. Under Review Mode, Play button is visible. You can delete any line scan. To do so, long tap over the number of the line to be deleted. One trash icon should appear, then press it. Then confirm the deletion of this line pressing Yes. The whole line will be deleted and the probe will be repositioned in this deleted line. Step 14. Press the Play button to remeasure this line. Step 15. Press Stop to jump to the next line with no measurement. Step 16. Should you want to stop the full scan, press the Stop button twice. You will be now in the review mode. Step 17. You can manually delete any cell with incorrect values. To do so, long tap over the desired cell. A trash icon will appear. Please press it. The cell value will be deleted. Step 18. You can also delete the whole scan by pressing the General Trash button. Step 19. You can zoom in and out the scan. To do so, swipe together or apart two fingers. Now, you know how to do a potential measurement using the 4-wheel electrode.